Figure 20-43A illustrates when you're connecting the secondary conductors of that transformer in parallel and sizing a protective device to protect the conductors and the output of the transformer. Now, for example, if you review the note, it says secondary conductors. We have 4 2-aughts in parallel per phase. And of course, table 310.16 lists those 2-aught conductors in a 75-degree column at 175 amps. So 4 times that'd be around 700. And then, of course, we have 6 mains at 100 amps that would protect it, or we'd have 1 main at 600 amps. But we're protecting the output of the transformer plus the conductors. Now, this is what you must remember. And the transformer is a 500 kVA, and we have the outdoor connections there, and there's no restriction on how far you could run those conductors, as long as voltage drop and things like that didn't interfere. And then you could just enter into the facility, and if it's a single main, 230.70B. 2 to 6 mains would be 230.71 and 230.72 respectively. Now, with that thought in mind, let's review now the boxed in information, and let's look at the calculation procedure. Note 1, and we're applying 240.92 C as in card 2. We take the 500 kVA transformer times 1,000, divide it by 480 volt times 1.732, and when we perform the math, the FLA of the transformer is 601.7 amps, or rounded up to be 602, whatever you want to do. Step 2, we'll apply 240.92 D as in dog 2. We have a 600 amp secondary now for the overcurrent protection. Now, if the overcurrent protection is 600 amps, where you have 6 100 amp fuses or 1 600 amp, then you have provided the protection to protect the output of the transformer. Now, in the solution, if we had 6 100 amp mains, that'd be 600 amps. The output of the transformer basically is 62 if you round up, so the output of the transformer is protected. And then 4 2-aught conductors at 700 amp, then our mains have protected, if there's 6 of them, 600 amps, protects the conductor plus the output of the transformer, or we could have 1 600 amp main that would do the same. So that's what this figure 20-43 is illustrating. Instead of having single conductors per phase, we have 4 2-aughts per phase at 175 amps each, and then the 600 amp protective device main, or 6 100s would give us 600 amps. We've protected the output of the transformer plus the ampacity of the conductors, and that's what our figure 20-43A is illustrating.